Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do another pick a card reading. This reading was requested by one of the viewer. So we will see what your parents going to do with this connection. Will they accept this connection or not? We will see your parents side and your person's parents side, and we will see the final outcome, and we will also take one guidance card. So let's see. We have 3 piles here as usual. This is the key. This is pile number 2. And this is different kind of a key. And we have another key. So whichever key you are intuitively connected to, or you feel like this key can open your parents' hearts and make them agree for this connection, you can choose. You can meditate on the piles and you can choose accordingly. If you feel like you need more time, you can take your time. You can pause the video and you can select the pile. Okay, we have 3 keys here. Whichever you are connected with, you can choose. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, and I am very grateful for your comments, your likes, your shares, and for subscriptions. I'm very thankful to you all. And I will continue the tarot readings with your motivation, with your support, and I'm feeling so happy. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. So please keep that in mind. If you want any other kind of readings, just like today's reading, if you want any different kind of readings, you can mention in the comment section. Okay. Then if you want personal reading, you can contact me through my email and I will definitely respond to you. Okay, all the details I'll give. So that's all I have for you. Let's start the reading. So let's start with pile number 1. This is the key. Let's see what your parents are feeling. What will be their reaction actually? What will be your parents' reaction after listening to or listening about this connection? Once they come to know about this connection, what will be their reaction? Will they agree? Will they accept this connection? Let's see. First, we will see your parents' reaction and we will see your person's parents' reaction. Okay? Let's see. First, we will see your parents' reaction. Then we will see your person's reaction. So, these cards are for your parents' reaction. Cards are jumping. Let's see your person's reactions. Okay, so these cards I have. Hope you all can see the cards. Okay, from your parents' side, I got 2 of Wands, 3 of Cups, and the Temperance. Okay. So your parents, what they are feeling, how they will react. Okay, let's see. Whoever is the viewer, I can see that their parents are waiting for a right match. Maybe you are like a little like older side, like late 20s you might be. So your parents are looking for a right match and they are waiting for a long time to hear about the good news of your marriage. They are searching actually abroad alliances. They are looking for a bride or bridegroom from outside the country, maybe USA, Canada, or anywhere. So they want somebody come from outside, and already they have something in their mind. They are holding on to that connection. Maybe somebody, some bride or bridegroom are there in their mind. Okay, so they are tightly holding for that match, for that alliance, or that person. Okay, so now they are actually in indecisive. Okay, they are waiting, they are thinking what to do. So when you say about this person, this connection, so first they will be quiet, they will not say anything, they will not respond, they will not fight. They will be in deep thinking, deep contemplation. Okay, they will be thinking what to do. They will compare the two ones. Okay, two alliances. They will compare how is your person and how is the other person that they have they chose. Okay, so they will not say, they will not fight, they will not do anything. So they will be simply waiting. Okay, and I strongly feel that they want somebody from outside, and they want you to settle in abroad. Okay, then after that, after you convince them, the love towards you, your parents love you so much, and after seeing your pain, after seeing your stubbornness, after seeing your the purity, definitely they will enjoy, I mean they will celebrate this occasion. Okay, they will celebrate, they will say, tell all the relatives, they will tell all the people. They want to meet the other person, like your person's parents. They want to meet that family, and actually they want balance in this connection actually. So they want both together, equal give and take. They feel that both families should be together, both families should be friendly, both families should be very like close friends kind of. So okay, so this is what your parents wants. Your parents will react, they will not react very badly or very rudely, or they will not fight, they will not throw you out of the house, they won't do anything. Okay, they will be quiet, they will act maturely, because they love you. Obviously they love you, and they want to have balance in this connection, and between both the families they want the understanding. Okay, so this is what your parents feelings. Okay, they are very very positive, because ultimately they want a good thing for you, right? Okay, let's see your person's family. Okay, I think your person's father or a mother might be divorcee, single parent, and they might be carrying so much burden of that person, your person. Okay, so they have struggled a lot in their life, and they have brought him up or brought her up in a very good manner, disciplined manner. So they are definitely a single parent, and your person will be a only son or only daughter. Okay, for many of you I can see this. Then they know the pain, I mean they pain the pain of upbringing a child. Okay, so they know the pain, they are very stubborn at times, and they are very scared also. Actually they are king of swords. That means they are holding the sword, they are a little reluctant. Okay, when they hear this news, they will be angry, they will be like shouting, and they will cry. Maybe they will say that I have done so much for you, this is what you are doing, and I have taken so many responsibilities on my shoulder, but you are not listening to me, you spoiled my name, this, that, and all. They might get angry because of the troubles, because of the fears, society fears and all. But they will understand this connection, because they also love, because only son or only daughter, so they love their child very much, and definitely they will accept. And finally they will propose for the marriage, they will propose for the celebration, they will definitely come to your parents house to ask your hand. Okay, see, both the sides they are celebrating, both the sides they are celebrating, both the sides they want celebration, ceremony, they want marriage. Your parents are looking for engagement, and this parent directly they want marriage. Okay, so very very positive card for the pile number 1. I'm very happy to read your cards. This is very very positive pile, whoever chose this. Okay, let's see what is the outcome. like what your person and you will be feeling and will be reacting after that. Okay, let's see outcome of the relationship after both the parents agree. Okay, what will happen after both the parents agree for your connection? What will happen? Okay, after both the parents agree, what will happen? Okay, very nice positive outcome. You can see queen here, queen of wands, king of wands, judgment. Okay, what else is there? Both the, this is very rare friends, that you are finding king and queen on the same spread with the same suit. Okay, these both are fire signs, right? Wands, these both are wands. You can see these both are wands and both king and queen. Definitely your marriage will happen, and judgment means this is reconciliation. Okay, universe is giving you the judgment, and universe is giving you, maybe you can take the snapshot of these cards and keep in your gallery. Okay, this is the very positive reading and very like divinely guided reading, I feel, because I can see that king is here, queen is here, judgment is here, reconciliation. If you both are not talking to each other, both are suffering in silence, then universe is entering to your connection, and judgment will happen for this connection, and you both will reconcile, and you both will have a happy married life. Not happy, it is not only happy, it is passionate. I can see wands means very fiery. You both might be a fire signs. I can see lot of fire here, so you both might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so I can see fixed signs also here, like Taurus, Scorpio, then Leo, Aquarius. I can see the fixed signs also. Any sign you can relate, friends. Very positive reading. Congratulations, friends, and comment in the comment box if it resonates, and definitely send your marriage invitation to us. Okay, we all will wait for your marriage invitation. Okay, very positive reading, and hope the viewer asked for this reading, hope she sees it. Okay, the Fool. This is the card that you got as a guidance card. The Fool means take a risk, take a chance of this connection. Maybe you both are having some problems. I mean, maybe both of you have some doubts about this connection. Leave it all. Take risk. Take leap of faith and trust the universe. Trust the God. Okay, and jump into the relationship. You will be happy. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to get more notifications. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. Congratulations. Let's see pile number 2. Whoever chose the heart, whoever chose this heart key, let's see what is there for you, what your parents are feeling, and what your person's parents are feeling. Let's see. Hope you can see the key. Let's see how your parents will react when you tell them about this connection. How your parents will react, how the viewers' parents will react when they say about this connection. Let's see from your side and from your person's side. This is from your side. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Okay, these 3 cards I got for your parents. Let's see your person's parents. Let's see your person's parents. What his or her parents react, how they will react. Okay, we got so many cards. Let's see how they will react. Wow, again marriage card. I'm not doing anything, friends. I'm shuffling in front of you, but cards are falling. I can't do anything about this. Okay, Angels know that I am doing this reading. So they are helping, they are guiding. They are coming here, standing here and guiding me to tell you and guiding me to give these messages to you. I did not choose the marriage card, but it is coming. For pile number 1 also marriage card came. Pile number 2 also marriage card is coming. So I can't do anything about this. Okay, for your parents' side, I can see Page of Cups. Okay, and I can see 6 of Wands, and I can also see Chariot. Okay, from your parents' side. From his parents' side, I can see 6 of Pentacles, then Magician and 4 of Wands. Okay, let me tell you. Here the wonderful thing is, I can see 6 this side also, 6 that side also. 6 is a Venus sign and 6 is a very fortunate number for love. Okay, I can see 6 this side also, I can see 6 this side also. So you both are very lucky, I can say that. Okay, so your parents are looking for a young, charming and handsome boy or a beautiful girl for you. They are searching, they are in a search of a boy or a girl. They are waiting for that. And you are also very young. They feel that you are so beautiful, you are so pampered child at home. Okay, maybe you are the only child at home, you are very well pampered, or you are the youngest one in the house, maybe. So these your parents pamper you a lot. Your parents love you a lot. You can see lot of emotions. Page of Cups means lot of emotions. They pour the love on you. They shower the pampering on you. They want to gift you. They want to take care of you. They want to give whatever you want. They want to give. So once they hear the news, they will not say anything. They will encourage you. They will say that chalo, come, we will go and we will celebrate this, and they will go for the engagement directly. This is kind of an Indian wedding. Okay, Indian style wedding, band baja barat. Okay, you can see the once your people will go along with the relatives, friends, and with a lot of gifts, lot of fruits, flowers, and you know the rituals of Indian marriage. Okay, so they want to go to them and ask for the boy or a girl. Okay, so they are very, very excited. When once they hear the news, they will be very happy. They will feel happiness in your happiness. They will see happiness in your happiness. They want movement. They want everything fast, because Chariot card is there. So they want everything fast. They want to do the marriage. They want to do celebration. They are planning. They are inviting relatives. They are very, very positive actually. Yeah, I can see this whoever chose the pile number 2, their parents or siblings or anybody, they are very, very positive. They are feeling that at least my child is getting loved one, whatever she or he loved, whomever they loved, they are getting them. So that is what the satisfaction they have, and they are so happy for you. I mean, they don't judge the people. They say that whomever you like, it's okay, beta. I mean, go ahead. We are behind you. We will support you. Okay, these all the relatives and all, they will go and they want the movement. They want to have marriage immediately. Okay, this is a Chariot. Chariot also means that mother. Okay, your side, maybe your mother is very prominent, and mother maybe proposing, I mean encouraging you. Okay, encouraging your parents, I mean others and all for this connection, and very positive reaction I can see from your parents. Let's see from their parents. Okay, so their parents are also very well off, very rich. They are doing lot of charities. They are spiritual. They are very much very soft spoken people. Okay, I can see here this person might be having only father. I feel so. This person, whoever it is, maybe only father, and this person is little bit age difference is there between you and this person. But There is twin flame card also. There is soulmate symbol also. Infinity symbol is there in the magician, and you have the marriage card. So finally, what they feel is these two cannot be separated. These two are twin flames, and they are supposed to marry each other. And this is divinely guided. This is they are manifesting each other. So who are we to stop them? Then they will agree for the marriage. From their side also there is no problem at all. So maybe single mother or a single father is there in this connection, so they will definitely agree for this marriage without any hindrance, without any problem. So let's see what will happen after that. Okay, let's continue the story. Okay, let's continue. What will happen? What will happen after that? What is the outcome of this connection? What is the outcome of this connection? Let's see. What is the outcome of this connection? Let's see. So both families agreed. Both families want to do the marriage. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so many pages here. Okay, so this person will definitely, after everything is done, this person will see you as a queen. And the Page of Pentacles means young energy. This person might be like, maybe age doesn't matter, but this person might be a younger for you. For some of you, you might be feminine, might be older than the masculine, or maybe the person is older also, but that person's heart is very young, and this person want to communicate. This person want to offer the financial offer, then gifts and so much. And after this marriage also, you both will be very much communicative and expressive towards each other, expressing your feelings towards each other. Sometimes this person might be little bit angry, but you will convince him, console him, and you will calm them down. You are in a queen energy. You are in a very stable, confident, and you are passionate. Okay, but you are very calm, stable, and very clear thoughts person. Okay, your person might be little childish, your person might be little fast moving, or sometimes angry, aggressive, like a child he is. Okay, but you, whoever is the feminine watching this video, you will control him, you will have all the power on him. Okay, so in this connection you are dominant and you have all the power, and you will take care of full family, and you will take care of, like, not financially, this person is well off and this person has lot of money also, and this person will offer you financial stability also, but still you will be the guide, you will be the taking decisions about family, and you will have a definitely very good family. And this person will be childish, this person will be playing around, and sometimes maybe he will be flirting with others, but you are very stable and you know what is happening in this connection, and you trust this person, but you keep an eye on him. And you will keep an eye on him, what this person is doing. And this person also, whenever he does some mistake or something, he will be looking at you. Oh my god, what my lady is doing, what my lady is looking at me. Oh, if I do something, she will give me nicely. Okay, so your connection will be very lively and also very childlike. Both will have very good understanding, and definitely you both will have a very bright future, I can see. Good. Pile number 2, congratulations. Let's see. Lovers. What else you want, friends? So universe is saying you are twin flames, you are soulmates, you are lovers. So you are destined to be together. You have to be together. So the universe also wants you to be together. Okay. So lovers card is a very positive card in any love reading. Congratulations, friends. And I did not do anything. I shuffled the cards. I have taken the cards in front of you. So universe is wanting like this, or God is wishing like this. I can't do anything. Okay. You have a engagement card, you have marriage card, twin flame, soulmate card, then everything, 6 So very, very positive reading for pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, subscribe, share my, okay. I'm not able to say the words properly because I am overexcited after seeing this card. You can take the screenshot and keep in your gallery to refer in future. Okay, friends, congratulations. See you in the next reading. Please subscribe. I can see many people watching the videos, but they are not subscribing. I'm feeling very sad. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell symbol to know more notifications. Okay. Pile number 3. This is the key we have. Okay. Let's do the reading for them. Let's see what your parents react for this connection. When they hear about this connection, how they will react. Let's see how they will react. How they will react about this connection. Okay. How they will react about this connection when they hear. Okay. Let's see your parents, how they will react. Let's see how your parents will react. One more. Okay. This is the cards for your parents. Okay. Let's see. I can see one card flipped here. Okay, that's all I have for you. So from your parents, I can see that they feel that you are very independent. You are very, maybe the viewer, whoever is viewing this, they are like financially independent. Maybe they are working. They are having a lot of money, bank savings. So your parents feel that, oh, you are so beautiful. Why do you want this person? Okay, they are even your parents are thinking that they are working hard on their finances, okay, to do your marriage, and they feel that you are so beautiful, you are very independent, then stable, but they feel that you are so happy in your own life. Okay, 9 of Pentacles. Okay, they feel that you are so very happy in your own life and you are enjoying your life. So they are working hard. After seeing that they are very happy and they are working hard on their finances to do your marriage and to make your life settled. Okay, and they once you say this, okay, that you are in love with that person, once you say about this connection, then they will start, they will not say anything, they won't react actually. They will calmly, they will make all the arrangements because they feel that you are a soulmate connection, you are 2 of Cups, maybe you both are partners, you and your person, whoever it is, boy or a girl or a man or a woman. So they feel that you are twin flame connections, not twin flame, sorry, you are soulmates and you both love each other, you both are partners, you both may be classmates or you are college mates or colleagues, you both know each other from childhood, even your parents know this person, okay, from long time, maybe from college days or school days or the when you got the job, so they know this person actually. Okay, your parents already know this person, but once you reveal this, they already have a doubt that you both love each other. Okay, because they can see you happy, they can see you enjoying your life, and they can see you concentrating on yourself, your pentacles, your happiness. So they understood that you both have some connection, but they did not ask you, or they did not force you to tell them. Okay, now they understood, they know that this connection is divinely guided, you both are soulmates, you both love each other, so they will not object, they won't say anything for this connection, they will not even shout at you, they will not scold you, because they know the person already. Okay, they know that this person is very good match for you, so definitely they won't say anything. Let's see from your person's side. Okay, your person's side, these people, they are looking for a young and handsome or a beautiful girl or a handsome boy. They want someone young, and you are also very beautiful and young and smart, but they have somebody in their mind actually. See, this card, juggling card, is there. So they want somebody, they already have somebody in their mind. They are juggling whether to choose you or the other person, but definitely they want a new beginning in this, they want to have a ceremony, they want to have a new start, and they want to do the, like, whatever is their new start for their son's life or daughter's life. They feel that this person is waiting for a long time, and they want him to be married. Okay, they want to get them married. Maybe it's a girl or a boy, so they want something new starting in their child's life. So definitely they will also not say anything. Maybe they are quietly, they will be comparing you and the other person, but they won't say anything. They won't object. They will give the decision to their child, and they will say whatever you like, we are okay with that, we will accept. But see this other one also. Okay, they won't fight, they won't be arrogant, they won't be fighting with the child. They will say, okay, see this person also, and choose whomever you want to choose. Like that, their reaction will be like that. So let's see the outcome of this connection. Okay, once your parents and his parents or her parents agree for this connection, what is your future? Okay, the star, celebration. What else you want, friends? Star, celebration. Okay, and justice. Okay, definitely justice is also a marriage card only in some terms actually. So okay, justice can mean a divorce and a marriage also. Okay, something ending and something new is beginning. But in this case, in this category, with the cards associated with justice, I can say that this is marriage, and you will be happy celebrating. You both will be celebrating with friends, because you already are friends and you have mutual friends. You will be celebrating, and you both will shine like a star. Your person will see you as a star, and you will see them as a star, and there is a hope in this connection, and there is lot of brightness in this connection. You both will have a happy moments and you will have, and this person might be far away also from you. Maybe this person is in abroad, working in abroad, so you will be, both will be talking to each other online, social media. Okay, so this person will come back to you after both the parents agree. Then this person will come to you, and you will celebrate, and you will have the marriage, and the universe will give the justice to this connection. Okay, you will get the justice in this connection, because both the parents will agree, and your outcome will be justice card. You will get the justice in this connection. Okay, very positive reading for you also. Let's take out one guidance card for you, then I can stop the reading. Okay, your person or you might be Libra or Aquarius. Okay, you or your person might be Libra or Aquarius, I can feel it strongly, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Please take it as related. And I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Let's see what universe want to say. Okay, the moon. So they are saying lot of emotions you have, but at the same time you and your person might be you are not sharing your feelings properly. So you are kind of a deceptive. Even both of you are like refusing. Maybe this is kind of a love and arranged marriage, I can see here. So one person wants this connection, and the other person maybe they don't want this, or something like that. The other person is not expressing their feelings. So universe is saying that you have to be little open. The moon also means that the mother, moon is a mother card. Okay, so there might be some issues with the mother, and you might have to be very open, talk to each other, heart to heart conversation. Okay, this is what I have for you, friends. That's all. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol for more notifications. See you in the next reading. Thank you. Bye.